We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of the Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband is a product that has consistently attracted attention for its blend of style, comfort, and performance. As an expert in athletic gear and accessories, I have carefully analyzed thousands of user experiences and product details to provide a thorough evaluation of what users like and dislike about this headband, how it performs in real-world scenarios, and whether it is a worthwhile addition to your athletic wardrobe. The Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband is designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who demand both functionality and style. Manufactured by Nike, a brand synonymous with sports innovation, this headband is available in a wide range of colors and is suitable for various sports and activities, including Pilates, soccer, basketball, football, and general workouts. The product's model number is N.000.3706.010.OS, and it is listed under the women's department, though it is widely used by both men and women of all ages. Since its release in February 2019, it has gained a strong following, as evidenced by its high customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 from over 8,200 ratings, and its ranking as a top seller in men's sport headbands. One of the most praised features of the Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband is its secure fit. Users consistently report that the headband stays in place during even the most intense physical activities. Whether jumping on and off a reformer machine during Pilates, sprinting up and down a soccer field, or playing a full basketball game, the headband does not slip off. The tie-back design allows for a customizable fit, accommodating different head sizes and hair types. Many users appreciate the extra length of the tie, which not only ensures a secure fit, but also allows for a stylish bow at the back if desired. This versatility in fit and style is a significant advantage over standard elastic headbands, which can sometimes be too tight or too loose. Comfort is another area where the Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband excels. The fabric is soft and lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Users note that the headband does not cause headaches or discomfort even during long workouts or games. The elasticity of the material strikes a balance between being snug enough to stay put and gentle enough not to create pressure points. This makes it suitable for children, teenagers, and adults alike. Parents have found it to be an excellent choice for their children's sports activities, with one reviewer highlighting its effectiveness for a 9-year-old playing soccer and another for a 10-year-old with thick hair playing football. Durability is a recurring theme in user feedback. The headband withstands frequent washing, both by hand and in the machine, without losing its shape, elasticity, or color. Even after months of use and repeated washes in hot water, the headband remains functional and presentable. The Nike logo, a signature design element, generally stays intact for a considerable time. However, some users have reported that after extensive washing and drying, especially in a dryer, the logo may begin to lift. A practical tip shared by experienced users is to gently reapply the logo using a hair flat iron on a low setting, though this issue appears to be rare and primarily affects older headbands. For those who prefer to avoid any risk of logo detachment, air drying is recommended, but many users continue to use the dryer without significant problems. The Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband's versatility extends beyond just sports. Its minimalist design and variety of color options make it suitable for casual wear, matching different uniforms and outfits. The white version in particular is popular for its ability to complement any color scheme. Users who own multiple headbands often coordinate them with their sports uniforms or workout attire, enhancing both functionality and personal style. The headband's ease of washing and quick drying time add to its practicality, making it a low-maintenance accessory for busy athletes and active individuals. Sweat management is a critical aspect of any athletic headband, and the Nike Dri-Fit Head Tie Headband receives mixed reviews in this regard. Many users find that it effectively keeps sweat out of their eyes during intense physical activity, allowing them to focus on their performance without distraction. This is especially important for sports like football and basketball, where clear vision is essential. However, some users with specific needs, such as preserving straightened hair or requiring maximum sweat absorption, have found the headband lacking. The material, while comfortable and lightweight, is not as thick or absorbent as some specialized sweatbands on the market. For those whose primary concern is absorbing large amounts of sweat or protecting hair from moisture, alternatives like the gym wrap may be more suitable. Nonetheless, for the majority of users engaged in typical workouts and sports, the headband provides adequate sweat control. Another notable strength of the Nike Dri-Fit head-tie headband is its durability under demanding conditions. Parents and athletes alike report that the headband holds up well throughout entire sports seasons, even with frequent washing and exposure to sweat, dirt, and the elements. The fabric does not easily fray or lose its elasticity, and the colors remain vibrant over time. This long-lasting performance makes it a cost-effective investment, especially for families with active children who participate in multiple sports. In terms of usability, the headband is easy to put on and adjust thanks to its tie-back design. Unlike pre-sized elastic bands, the tie allows each user to achieve their preferred level of tightness and comfort. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with unique head shapes or hair volumes, as it eliminates the common problem of headbands being either too tight or too loose. The headband is also easy to remove, and the fabric does not snag or pull on hair, further enhancing comfort and convenience. Despite its many strengths, the Nike Dri-Fit head-tie headband is not without its drawbacks. As previously mentioned, its sweat absorption capacity may not meet the needs of users who sweat heavily or require maximum moisture management for hair preservation. The thin, lightweight material, while comfortable, does not offer the same level of absorbency as thicker, towel-like headbands. Additionally, while the logo generally remains intact, the possibility of it lifting over time may be a concern for some users who prioritize aesthetics. However, these issues are relatively minor compared to the overall positive feedback and can often be mitigated with proper care and usage. The headband's popularity is further evidenced by the number of repeat purchases and recommendations. Many users report buying the headband in multiple colors to match different outfits or uniforms, and some have purchased additional headbands for family members and friends. The product's high rating and strong sales ranking in the competitive category of men's sport headbands are testaments to its widespread appeal and reliability. From a style perspective, the Nike Dri-Fit head-tie headband offers a sleek, athletic look that complements a wide range of sportswear. The ability to tie a bow at the back adds a touch of personalization, and the variety of available colors ensures that there is an option for every taste and preference. The headband's minimalist design makes it suitable for both men and women, and its unisex appeal broadens its potential user base. For those considering purchasing the Nike Dri-Fit head-tie headband, it is important to weigh the pros and cons based on individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a headband that stays securely in place, offers customizable fit and comfort, and is durable enough to withstand frequent use and washing, this product is an excellent choice. Its sweat management capabilities are sufficient for most users, though those with specific requirements for maximum absorbency may want to explore alternative options. The headband's style, ease of care, and versatility make it a standout accessory for athletes of all ages and skill levels. In summary, the Nike Dri-Fit head-tie headband is a well-designed, reliable, and stylish accessory that meets the needs of a wide range of users. Its secure fit, comfort, durability, and ease of use make it a favorite among athletes, parents, and fitness enthusiasts. While it may not be the best option for those who need maximum sweat absorption or hair preservation, its overall performance and value are hard to beat. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from thousands of users speaks to its effectiveness and appeal. If you are in the market for a versatile, high-quality headband that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the Nike Dri-Fit head-tie headband is a product worth considering. Remember, the link to the product is in the description below. If you have experience with this headband, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of informed and satisfied users. Support the channel by using the product link, and stay tuned for more expert reviews on the latest and greatest in athletic gear and accessories.